So this pig, Bacon here, has been in this pen since January. And I haven't cleaned this pen once, and there's absolutely no smell coming out of this pig pen here. As you can see, there's also almost no flies. So, what's the secret to keeping a pig in a no-smell pig pen for 9 months? Here is another pig pen under construction here. And as you can see, there's a cross-hatching of logs. The cross-hatching helps certain beneficial microorganisms to establish themselves, and this pen is about 4 feet in height, and I filled the inside about 2.5 feet of logs. You'll notice the logs are all long, so the pig can't really root them around too much. And here's another one under construction. You can see the depth of the logs on the left, and how I'm filling it here on the right. That's framed in. All these are the same depth. This one's ready for wood chips or organic matter to be placed on top. This one here still needs a few days worth of lumber cutting and hauling up here. In the back here we have another pig pen. This one was done with bamboo, or not bamboo, banana, excuse me, and it has quickly disintegrated. She's been in here since about March. She's eaten through all the organic matter and is basically on logs now. I threw a little grass in here the other day, but still, amazingly, this system performs. And with her living in here for the last 5 months or so, absolutely no smell, no flies. She shits over here in this corner right there. And, but never cleaned this pen, never had to wash anything in here. And the microorganisms are living, doing their thing. Here again, Bacon and her setup. Her floor was built with wood chips, and so it's lasted about 9 months to sink from that original height here down to its depth there, so about 1.5 feet, 2 feet. But absolutely no smell, never been cleaned, no flies. It's the farmer's dream right here. So I just want to share a little clip with you where you can actually close up the floor of the pig pen. Here's Bacon. There's a good girl home. She's about a 300, 400 pound pig, I don't know. She's pretty big. I'm happy, I'd say, for the most part, living in here. But I'm standing. There you go. There you go. I'm standing on the side where she shits. And I see a few, a few little flies, but not many. This floor. There's absolutely no smell on the floor of this pig pen. And I'm right next to where she shits. Right there's a shit. Right there's a shit. You know, I can pick this up right here. Right next to the shit. Absolutely no smell. The microorganisms in this pen are amazing. What they do for her. You know, I've never, 9 months, haven't cleaned this pen.
To raise healthy pigs, visit the website in the description box below for more guidelines.